Good afternoon. Excited to share with you another one in our series of the building blocks of creation, the Hebrew alphabet. We're already on week 4. So the fourth letter in the Hebrew alphabet is the letter Dalet, the D sound. Value of 4, gematria of 4 as well. The fourth letter has a pictograph of an open door, an open tent door actually, or a portal that is open, a portal, a way through that is opened up by force, or just opened up because of God's presence. So the words that we can associate with D, or that starts with D, the Dalet, is Dag, which is the Hebrew word for fish, and also Devarim, which is the Hebrew word for Deuteronomy, the 5th book of the Torah. The fourth feast in God's feasts in His ordained time is the feast of Shavuot. And what happened on that day, the portal of heaven was opened for the pour out of the Spirit on man in the form of tongues of fire. Acts 2 verse 2 to 3. The tongues of fire that came onto man and was poured out onto man on this day of Shavuot. And if it was not for the obedience of our Messiah Yeshua, who laid down his life for you and me, that portal could not be opened, because in God's order that portal was locked until Yeshua, who received the key to unlock that, came and walked in obedience and laid down his life. There might be many portals in your life and my life that we received the key for. We should continuously listen and be at the feet of Most High in order to hear what those portals are. And speaking about those portals, that portal was opened perpetually when Yeshua laid down his life, and the paruket, the curtain between the holy and the Holy of Holies, was torn from top to bottom. That portal was opened. So you and I can go to the Father perpetually at any time. There's nothing stopping us, because Yeshua's deed opened that portal for us. Another thing that I want to mention of importance is that in the Hebrew alphabet, the 10 commandments are not numbered, but they are listed alphabetically. So the Dalet, which is actually the 4th commandment, is the reminder that we should honor the holy day of Yutei Vaveh, being the Shabbat. And on the Shabbat, we should set it apart. It's holy, and we should not do any kind of work. Dalet, Shabbat, yes, the portal of heaven is opened on that day. Have you heard the people say? Have you heard people said before that on Shabbat the portal of heaven is open? Can you see the two linking up to each other? Also, on the 4th day of creation, the portal of time was established for day and night, and seasons and years. Was established on that day. The portal of time came into being. So 4 is all about portals and all about salvation coming through portals. Thank you, Dalet, for being obedient to your purpose and your calling. May grace and shalom be ours in full measure.